Outdoors, a proper shower isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Introducing FlexTail Tiny Shower Bucket and Bag. Your on-the-go shower station. Whatever any mess you met, just one twist to rinse anything, anywhere. At its core is a built-in patented turbocharged pump. Delivers high-pressure Sperry impact without plumbing or pedals. Tap to start your shower journey wherever you are. After water sports, Tiny Shower Bucket handles it with ease. Compact yet powerful, the shower head is easy to control with one hand. And the 2 meters smart remote lets you switch on and off anytime. Tiny Shower Bucket and Bag. Pure tech, pure ease.